Good morning, dear students. This is session 28. The topic is End Game Operationalizing an Analytics Project. Tasks needed to operationalize an analytics project. So, the main aim of the session is to learn effectively how to operize a project once you receive. So, what is an operationalizing? This is an analytics project in big data analytics, involves process of moving a proof of concept or experimental stage to a production ready and scalable solution. The meaning of that one is, once you get a project in big data analytics, so you have to analyze that project. So after applying some analytical tools, so that is known as operationalizing. So what are the steps are involved in this one? The first one, we have to define clear business objectives. So to work with the problem, first of all we have to get the clear idea about our objective, because to define the objective, so first of all the problem should be clear, then only we can define a correct objective. The second one, data pipeline development. The pipeline is nothing but, so from one stage or one phase of the data to another phase, the data will be moved. I mean, the output of first phase 1 becomes the input to the next phase. So once we receive the data, so the data should be cleaned, transformed and also pre-processed that data. So while it is doing, so the phase 1 output becomes to the phase 2, phase 2 output becomes to the phase 3 and so on. This is known as pipelining. So the pipelining can handle the extraction, loading and transformation of a large volume of the data. The next point, model development and evaluation. To give the solution to our problem, so we defined an objective. So to achieve an objective, we have to build a model, either by using the machine learning or by using the statistical models. That is the concept of model building, model development. The next one is scalable deployment. This is nothing but, so the processing of requirements of the big data. So scalability, high scalability. The mean big data means large scale of the data. So therefore this data will be executed or the data will be operated on distributed environment. So either by using the Apache Hadoop or Spark. The next one, integration with production systems. That is nothing but, so it is integrate the analytics solution with existing production system. That is nothing but, the existing production system is generally any organization is maintaining the data by using the databases or data warehouses or real time data streams. So the data should be integrated. So between the which one, analytics solution and other systems to enable seamless operationalization. The next one is automation and monitoring. So automation and monitoring is nothing but ongoing performance and reliability of the analytics solution. The next point is security and governance. In these days we know there are lot of security is required actually to our data. If data belongs to sensitive means confidential data may be there. So therefore we can use the encryption algorithms so to give the security to our data. The next point is user interface and visualization. So this is nothing but once the project or data is analyzed, then how the stakeholders can understand the solution of our problem, right. By using some visualization concept, the stakeholders or other people or other officials easily they can understand. The next one, continuous improvement. This is nothing but once a solution is designed, it is not the final, but time to time, so periodically, so what happens is some changes may be occurred in our needs. So therefore, to achieve the new needs or requirements, so it should be in the spiral model. I mean the objective should be refined once again. So that is nothing but continuous improvement. The next one is documentation and knowledge transfer. So after completion of the solution to achieve our objective, so everything should be documented. So otherwise the other people can't understand, or in the team also can't understand clearly. By ourselves also, after a long gap, we can't also understand what we have did earlier. So that is why it is better to maintain the documentation for everything what we are doing, right. So these are the case studies we are having. One is predictive maintenance, the second one is fraud detection, the third one is customer churn. So therefore actually here, by using the predictive maintenance or fraud detection or customer churn, by using these type of case studies, we will get the awareness and also we will get the grip on the problem solutions. These are the examples. So Uber, you know very well, I think nowadays Uber is became very popular. So the second one is Netflix, that is also very much popular, and e-commerce organization, that is Amazon. So this is also very much popular, right. So I hope you understand so what is the use of operationalizing concept. So these are the two self-assessment questions. So you can identify by using one of the option is different color. So what is the objective of operationalizing an analytics project? So there are 4 options are there. So among them, first one is to generate insights from data, second one to integrate insights into business operations, the third one is to visualize data in a meaningful way, the fourth one is to collect and store data in a database. So the option B is right answer. The second one, which of the following companies has operationalized their analytics projects by using machine learning to personalize their content recommendations to individual users? Option A, Uber, option B, Netflix, option C, Amazon, option D, Airbnb, right. So the answer is Netflix. So these are the questions generally can be asked on the operationalizing. These are the references and learning of this session. Thank you very much.